So x of t is equals to continuation a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n by 2 e power j n omega naught t into e power j theta n. Just I am writing summations individually. A n by 2 e power minus j n omega naught t into e power minus j theta n. Now x of t is equals to a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n by 2 e power j theta n. Just I am writing like this, plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n by 2 into e power j minus theta n into e power minus j n omega naught t. So now what I am writing is, I am letting n is equal to minus k in the second summation. In the second summation. Okay, now we have x of t is equals to a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n by 2 e power j theta n into e power j omega naught nt plus summation k is equal to minus 1 to minus infinity. Actually, if I substitute n is equal to minus k is equal to 1 to infinity, or k is equal to minus 1 to infinity, right? We can write like that. ak by 2 e power j theta k e power j k omega naught t. So here if I write n is equal to minus k here, means if I write a suffix as minus k, if I substitute k is equal to minus 1, minus of minus will become plus. But we should get minus, right? Because n is equal to minus k only. So that's why I am writing just ak. And this one will become positive. And minus n, this one is also positive. So on comparing the above two equations of x of t. Two equations of x of t like this. These two. I am comparing these two. Now we have an as ak, this one as this one, and minus theta n as theta k. Okay. And now I am defining. Let us define a naught as c naught, and cn is equals to a n by 2 into e power j theta n. From these two, I am having a n by 2 here. This is ak by 2. E power j theta n, e power j theta k. E power j n omega naught t, e power j k omega naught t. Just I am writing this as c naught, and a n by 2 e power j theta n. Just if I change the variable, this also I can write a n by 2 e power j theta n, e power j n omega naught t, where n is equal to minus 1 to minus infinity. Just I want to change the variable from k to n. Then this one and this one, these two will equal. And this term can be written as cn. Cn is nothing but a n by 2 into e power j theta n. Okay. So after changing the variable k to n, I have the equation x of t is equals to this as c naught plus, after changing the variable, I got this equation, and from this equation this can be written as cn. Okay. So x of t is equal to c naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. This one can be written as Cn. Cn e power jn omega naught t plus summation n is equal to minus 1 to minus infinity Cn e power jn omega naught t. So from here I am writing, or I am adding these two summations. Here this is from n is equal to 1 to infinity, here this is n is equal to minus 1 to infinity. So I will write n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity except 0, right? We are not having 0 here. So it will become Cn e power jn omega naught t. If I want to include, if I substitute n is equal to 0, what I'll get? E power 0 value is 1 and this is C naught, simply this one. So this totally I can include from n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity Cn e power jn omega naught t. Okay, so this is the representation of x of t over a certain interval of time with or in terms of complex exponentials, and this is known as exponential form of Fourier series, and this equation is called synthesis equation. Okay, now the exponential series from cosine series is C naught is nothing but a naught, Cn is equal to an by 2 into e power j theta n. These are the conclusions we can do. Okay, thank you.